Hey, did you hear about the car accident on the highway yesterday? It was pretty serious.
Yeah, I heard about it. It's really sad. I think 3 cars were involved, right?
That's right. From what I read, one of the drivers lost control while trying to overtake another car, and it led to a chain reaction. The cars behind couldn't stop in time.
It's scary how quickly things can go wrong on the road. Were there any injuries?
Unfortunately, yes. A few people were seriously injured, but thankfully, there were no fatalities. Still, it's a reminder of how important it is to stay focused and follow the rules.
Absolutely. Speeding and not keeping a safe distance are so dangerous. People often forget that you need extra time to react if something unexpected happens.
Exactly. I've also noticed that a lot of drivers get distracted with their phones, even though they know it's dangerous. It's like they don't think it will happen to them.
That's one of the biggest issues today. Even a few seconds of distraction can be the difference between avoiding an accident and causing one.
I've started putting my phone on Do Not Disturb while driving. It's not worth the risk, and whatever it is can wait.
That's a good habit. I do the same, plus I always make sure everyone in the car is wearing their seatbelt, even for short trips. It's amazing how many people still don't take that seriously.
I know. Seatbelts save lives, but some people think they're uncomfortable or unnecessary, especially in the back seat.
True, but in an accident, they can literally be the difference between life and death. And it's not just about our safety, it's about protecting everyone on the road.
Agreed. We all have a responsibility to drive safely and make sure our cars are in good condition, too. Regular maintenance checks are just as important as driving carefully.
Definitely. Safe driving isn't just about what you do on the road. It's about how well you prepare before you even start the car.
Well said. Hopefully, more people start taking road safety seriously, especially after hearing about accidents like the one yesterday.
I hope so too. We all need to do our part to make the roads safer for everyone.